Hello everyone. Good morning and namaste. Welcome back to drawing class. Hope you all are doing well and enjoyed the festivals at home. Excellent. Children, most of you are following videos and had drawn very well. Others who are not drawing and posting, please send from this week. In these days, when we are at home, it is required to divert from regular activities, and drawing is the best. It is a kind of meditation, so practice warm up exercises regularly. Practice on the book or paper. Remember, you should draw drawing in your drawing copy. Also, you should post all practice and week drawings in YOLO app. Best drawings will be posted in our school website with your full details. This is a good opportunity, right? Yes. What? This week what? To draw, you must close your eyes and sing. Said by Picasso. It means always paint with a clear mind, without any distractions. Ignore other things. Also, do not bother if the art is not going to be good or not. Just enjoy your moment while creating art. Feel every brush stroke, every drop of color. Nothing else matters. Warm up. This week warm up. Are you ready with paper and a pencil? Kindly follow the video. Start the zigzag and wiggle lines and keep them moving right to the end as in this video. Start the zigzag and wiggle lines. Practice the above lines for multiple times. Yes, what is the meaning? What is the special of Janmashtami? Janmashtami means Krishna's birthday. You know the Lord Krishna, right? Yes. So, special drawing is flute drawing. Flute, the favorite musical instrument of Lord Krishna. Yes. Follow the video, children. Watch and follow the video carefully and send the pic in YOLO app. Draw neatly and slowly. Janmashtami special drawing, anyone as shown in this video as flute drawing, okay, and some other pictures. Select anyone and draw it and send to me in YOLO app. It should be simple. Topic. This week I will teach you a new topic. Can anyone guess? Yes, doodling art. Doodling means scribbling absent-mindedly. Doodle art is a simple drawing. It is an art of drawing. It's a fun and also helps to concentrate and learn better. A doodle is a rough drawing usually made absent-mindedly. Doodles may be small pictures. Where do we find these doodling art? Example of doodling art found in school notebooks, in the margins drawn by students during class when they do not concentrate in class, right? Yes, now take out your drawing copy, go to doodling tulip flower page, first doodling art. See in the index page, second topic doodling art. We have 5 images in the doodling art. Tools we require are pencil and black color gel pen as shown in this video. Okay. Yes, what do we see? Yes, tulip flowers with long stems, leaves in a beautiful doodling art, right? At first, keenly observe the image on the left page. Also observe strokes of tulip flower, leaves, stems. It has both dark and light shades. Yes. In case any stroke or curve is not same as in the image, don't worry, we can adjust at the end. Now, slowly draw from right side of the page. At the bottom, stroke should be light, almost invisible as shown in this video. Start from the right side corner, bottom right side corner. Write the date on the left side corner of the page. Slowly draw from the top, bottom, all the flowers first. Lightly, strokes should be light, almost invisible. Once the outline is drawn, make outline a little darker with gel pen. Also make shades and designs a little darker as shown in this video. After completing the pencil shades, strokes, check the shape of the flower, stem, leaves. Make sure it is in perfect shape. All of you must draw and complete it. If you want to color it, you can color it. But outline should be in black color. Keenly observe the video and draw it. Complete it. And send me these in the YOLO app. Best drawings will be posted in our school website with your full details. So this is a good opportunity. Draw it and post it in the YOLO app. Okay. Now enjoy the music and also enjoy the doodling art and complete it. So here is our doodling art. Tulip flowers within a beautiful doodling art. You can make as a photo frame. Happy Janmashtami to all. Thank you. And have a happy day and wonderful day, children. Bye.